Laser Security and Alarming System. The Laser Security and Alarming System is an Arduino-based project that utilizes a laser diode and a light-dependent resistor, LDR, to create a compact and efficient security system. It offers a reliable and customizable approach to enhance security for various applications, such as home security or object detection. The required components are data cable, male-to-female jumper, male-to-male jumper, laser module, PEST buzzer, LDR, resistor, switch, Arduino Uno, breadboard.